Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make classic mini panettone with raisins. Add water heated at 110 degrees. Add the yeast and whisk it together. You'll see bubbles forming on the top. Add a half cup of the flour to make a sponge. Let it rest for about 30 minutes, covered with a towel. After 30 minutes, add the rest of the flour, the eggs, the zest of the oranges and the lemons, and also the cinnamon. Mix it together. Keep mixing until everything is combined. Add the softened butter and the salt. Continue mixing and press the butter on the sides of the bowl to incorporate it into the batter. Add the raisins with the soaking rum. Let it rise until double its size. After 2 hours, fill the cups halfway. This batter makes enough for 10 mini panettone. Cover with a towel and let it rise again until double its size. Preheat the oven at 375, and now that the dough has doubled in size, I am going to brush the top with butter. And now we bake it for about 30 minutes. The panettone are ready. Let's try. I hope you like this video and I'll see you next time.